action. Alright y'all, what's up? Welcome back to the channel. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to the channel for more videos like this. Today we're going to be making short ribs. Let's get it. Alright, so first, we're going to lay it out and I'm going to put some soy sauce on it. I know it sounds crazy, but trust the process. Alright, so now we're going to sprinkle a little salt on it. I guess I was doing it wrong, so you had to show me how to sprinkle salt on it. It definitely made a difference. It definitely helped. So now we're gonna put some garlic powder. I almost messed around and started sprinkling it on the open side instead of like the small hole side. That would have been all bad. Next we got some black pepper. We just gonna put a little black pepper on there. You know what I'm saying? Just a little bit. How much you want? It's up to you. Then I just poked a little holes in it to help the seasoning since I don't have like a little hammer to beat it. And then I just repeated the same seasonings on the other side of the meat. And just like what I did to the start, I started poking it and creating the holes and then using my excess seasoning on the foil to get like the sides and stuff, because you don't really need too much seasoning on there for real, because you don't want it to be too salty. And as you can see, it's well seasoned. It looks very flavorful. You know what I'm saying? Very flavorful. Look at that. Alright, so now I'm just gonna pack it on up so we can take it down to the grill, clean up my mess, and head on downstairs. Alright, y'all, I need to get you some of these. Alright, y'all, now we're at the grill. We're finna throw these bad boys on. Grill nice and hot and sizzling. You know what I'm saying? And then voila. We got our short ribs. My homeboy made a steak, so you see his steak right there. Look at all that flavor, all that juice. Like, you can't tell me that don't look good. And if it don't look good, I got somebody who's finna tell you.
That's real good. I like the seasoning on there. There's something gives it like an earthy bite almost.
In my life,